Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language within the Spendee Budget Tracker application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device, and after opening it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials or by using your social accounts. After logging in, you will end up within the timeline page. Now, if you wish to change the application language, then click on the More option at the bottom right corner, and then from this page just scroll down and then click on Advanced. This will now show you various different options, and this also includes the language. Click on the currently selected language at the top, and now you can choose various different languages that are supported by the application. Now there are a few options to choose from for your language, or you can also choose to have the automatic language selection system, which will choose your language based on whichever language is used within your phone device system. After choosing your desired language, the application will restart and your chosen language will be applied to the app right away. If at any point you wish to change your language once again, you can go back into the advanced settings and then have it changed based on your desire. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the application language on the Spendee Budget Tracker app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.